Here's a 2010 Chevrolet Aveo. This Chevy Aveo changes with your needs. It's surprisingly versatile and can handle passengers and cargo with ease. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auxiliary audio input, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, power windows, air conditioning, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver explains, pop open one of its flyweight doors and you'll find 50 cubic feet of interior space in front and 41 in the rear, despite its modest exterior dimensions. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.